Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Peggy Woodfield, Peggy from the Pearl Forest, and we're going to continue our Nature's Notes miniature journals that we've been making. We have 5 of them. They fit in paper mache boxes. This is the cover so far. It's got a little bit of extra spine, so we have more room in here. We're going to do some more pockets right now. I've prepared some for the different books, and they're all from Joey Card Maker. Joey _ Card Maker, JOEY _ Card Maker, and that's on Etsy. He also is on Ko-fi, KO-FI. And these are from the Nature's Notes, either spring or summer or autumn or winter, 4 different kits. And they're mixed in together that we're using to make our pages, which I've cut from 8.5 by 11, a portion of them to be in the journals. Okay, so let's go from here. This one is this set of things that I've picked out. These 2 are going to make sort of tucks, and these 4 will be pockets. So let's see. I'm going to do a paper fabric style, but paper flip here. Maybe I'll even make it with some Mamagami, I'm not sure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 pages without anything in the front. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we put 3 of these in the front, and there's 9, that's like about every 3 pages. Right now we have on the 3rd page, so let's see about the 6th page. Well, our little bunny actually looks kind of cute there. I'm gonna just I could make him an up tuck, or I could put him on the side. I kind of like him in the corner though, so this is going to be a little challenging in that it's round. So I'll go across from this corner here. All right, bunny. Let's see. We'll hold the corner that we're not doing and put a little bit down the side, but I'm not going to go all the way to the corner so that something can stick up there. Hopefully this gives it the most flexibility. Okay, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was going to say we could do the other up tuck, but let's do this pocket. I think we'll do the pocket instead. Hope you're having a great day, whichever day it is that you watch this video. Let me know if you're crafting along, whether you've recently gotten some new crafting supplies. There's lots of opportunities between Black Friday and gifts you might have gotten, or clearance sales. Or just if you're like me, you can shop around the house too. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I think this one looks good there. Maybe this one here. I know it's fun to just go on an adventure and see what you can find. I like going to thrift stores. I might try the Goodwill bins again and see what I can find. It's just kind of fun going on the adventure, but I really don't need a lot of things because I have so much, but a little bit here and there is nice. And thrift stores are good. When you get into the warmer weather, it's nice to go to garage sales or estate sales or craft fairs. Not as many in the winter time. But I also like to always check out the clearance section. Because while I don't really need a bunch of stuff, it's kind of nice to find bargains. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have this little tuck and this thing. I think we'll go with this here. We may add some additional things, but I think I'd like to do some flips after these pockets for a little variety. And I know I'm putting them on the white pages where you could do writing, but they'll have things in the pockets. Plus you still have 2/3 approximately of the pocket to write on. Okay, I thought these would make cute little corner tucks. And, well, up is nice too. Whoops, this is, maybe I should have glued that one. I think I'm going to go opposite that and just put this down here. Now this leaves a lot of room on the page for writing, but then you can also tuck something in. Okay, so that's one. And what do we have here? We have our one that we're calling blue and green, I think. Let's do the other obvious ones first. This one, I need to put the covers on so I can see clear. This is the orange one, which is this collection I made. Here's our pockets, our tucks. Okay, we could do the same thing and go in about 3. 1, 2, 3. We have something there. 1, 2, 3. I just like this little tuck for this one. Does it have an up spot? That's kind of a butterfly. So I think we'll put this to be the corner. There's not a lot of tucking room there, but something small can go in there. This is from a punch that I have. I believe, yeah, it's Creative Memories, and it's a 1 1/8 kind of scalloped square. I actually believe I got that at a thrift store. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Horse kind of looks nice. Let's check out the other ones. 1, 2, 3. This one's pretty open to whichever. 1, 2, 3. Once again, we have quite flexibility. This is close to that, so I'll do something different. 1, 2, 3. We'll go with that one. And 1, 2, 3. not really a match. Let's see. I think we'll do the horse there, and we'll put this one here, and nope, let's put this one back here. Okay, so let's put these in. Before I do the next video, I'll make some flip things to put in. And then after that video, we'll start filling our pockets and adding some decorations and things. I think this was maybe supposed to be on the other side, but I've already added the glue. But it goes with the flowers anyway, so it's fine. We go with what we got. Okay, and I did put some small circle punch holes in these small pockets, and I also distressed the edges off camera, so you didn't have to watch that. And I used a little flower punch, just kind of generic-y one, I think. No, it says, oh, Daiso. That's from Daiso, Japanese dollar store. And that's what I used to put in the middle of those. And the circle punch is probably also Daiso. Can't see it right here, but probably. And it doesn't have a measurement, so I don't know how big it is. I guess I could measure. It's I think about 5/8. Okay, let's see. I will be sharing these journals when I'm done. Although it's one that I likely will keep one of them for myself. I'm kind of partial to them. Okay, I think that's all of the ones in this book. Which one did I, oh, I finished this one over here. All right, this one is, I think, the blue one. And, oops, has some glue up there. This is the pink one, so let's do the pink one. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and the pages are not all in the same orders. 1, 2, 3. Kind of like that one. 1, 2, 3. Not really sure. Try that one. 1, 2, 3. Maybe that one. 1, 2, 3. None of these are seeming to match very well. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Well, that one matches better. Okay. When the journal cards are on, that will make a difference. So this is the top, this is the corner that I don't want glue in. So this is the top side. This is our uptuck. Juicy strawberry. Okay. When they don't match exactly, then decorations that we put on them and journal cards that go in the pocket can make up the difference. That's my philosophy anyway. This is a coffee dyed paper. I do dye my own coffee dyes. They do take a while to make a big batch. It takes me pretty much all day, but I can do other things and just check on them like every, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. Okay. Be nice if we could find something to put in the middle. I know I put calendar pages in often, but I don't have any calendar pages probably small enough. But I do have some nature pictures that might be. But then I also have the digital has some things too. It could go in there. So we'll see what we come up with. Okay, there's that pocket. Okay, there's the addition for those. So now we have these two. This will be the blue pile, bluish green. Okay, I do need to put a little bit on this tag here. Be curious to know what kind of journals you're planning or are working on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one looks really nice with that. I know I have more than I can humanly do in the works. But as I'm doing my sorted out, use it up, I'm either preparing ephemera or gathering stuff to make ephemera. Like I have an insect one I'm working on, and so I have some insect things I'm gathering. 1, 2, 3, that already has one. 1, 2, 3, we're at the middle. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this ladybug looks nice on this page. We'll just have to space these in here a little differently on this one, because they are all different as to what they have. I like this little scallopy edge. I did think of another thing that we could do, speaking of scallopy edges, that we could put in for a side tuck. So maybe I'll get those ready for next time too. I think that one looks nice. I'm also going to have to come up with a closure. Oops. For the journal. 1, 2, 3, which I haven't figured out how I want to do with this one. None of those really go. Do we want to do the birds or the flowers? I think this one somehow is the best of the not so good. Just the nature of this set of journals and their pages, that's why I kind of thought it would be nice to make the pockets and stuff as we went, but mass make just made more sense. 1, 2, 3. So let's see, the back has 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the front has 1, 2, stick in here. Good thing we're checking this out because we were sticking our page together. Three. Do I only have 3? Doesn't make sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I only have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to have 2 more up front. So got that there, 3 there. So maybe this one, we'll just put some more flowers with this flower. Not sure how I got so off on that. And then our seagull. Just put it with the windy stuff here. Let's see if this is my corner. This would be the top, and this would be the side, I mean. At least where I live, seagulls are every season. Live near the water. Sort of, anyway. Okay, so they're not too fat. There's still lots of room, but we haven't stuffed anything yet. Now we have this one. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think we'll come back to those because anything could go there. 1, 2, 3. We'll just try that. 1, 2, 3. And the bug. 1, 2, 3. That one. 1, 2, 3. Maybe the green. Let's go back to the front. 1, 2, 3. Oops, that one fell out. 1, 2, 3. To figure out where that one went. So we're putting 1 into the front. I'll just be different and not put it on the white. I don't know, you can write on that. This just makes less white to see. 1, 2. Just have a side. this, I guess. Put it down here. And 3, which means that has to go to the back. We'll find where it fell out. What was Alexander Graham Bell's most famous invention? There's a trivia question for you. Okay, this one back here. This is the answer part of the card. Arizona and time. But I have no idea what the questions are. 2. Okay, this one's gonna go like this. Put this up in the corner. For an up tuck. And 1, 2, 3. And our last pocket for right now. Come up with some flips to do to add more journaling, plus fill in the pockets. Got a lot of glue there on my finger. All right, there we do. We have our 5 journals. Thought that was a little thick. It's got somebody inside of it. Why do we have one of those? We didn't glue it in. 1, 2, 3. We'll just put it here. Was a lucky find, so we didn't lose it somewhere. Our up tuck. Okay. I think I have them all in. So here's our five journals so far. They're getting full. They're kind of opening a bit, but they also can close quite a bit too. So let's see where we go from here and what we make. Thank you for joining me on this journey today as we put in some more pockets and tucks. This is Peggy from the Pearl Forest. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day full of fun, creativity, and love. See you next time.